So the first thing you want to do is make a board. I'm using Eagle 7.6 because I'm not really into Autodesk's online software stuff. So here's the board. You're just going to activate only a few things. You want the bottom, the pads, and the dimension. So you just click none and then select those. What this is the outline of the board, the traces on the bottom and there. Now if you have a top traces instead of the bottom, you would do that. But I got more on the bottom, so who cares, I'll do them both. That's going to give me some goofy looking stuff, but that's fine. The next step is save this as a PNG, so export image to a monochrome PNG. I want to just name this PCB. Click OK. I've already got one, so there you go. Go to fabmodules.org, click on input format PNG, output format. There's a few different things. Now if you use the Roland mills, the other mill, these things are pretty standardized in here. The ShopBot, for instance, I don't think the ShopBot can do circuits, but in the Smoothie they also don't have it's not set up for doing circuits. If you look here, you can see they don't have a bit small enough typically. ShopBot, same. So you can do the other mill. PCB traces for the other mill. But we could just go to G-code. Now again, the Roland mill has PCB as well, but G-code's fine. And what we're going to do is we want to do two different files. We want to do the traces and then we want to do the outline or the dimension. So you could pick this 1/64 inch bit and calculate, and that will do the layout of the outline of your traces. The red shows you where it's not cutting the board, and the black shows you where it will be cutting the board. If you wanted to do 0.01 inches here as your bit, you just select that, and that in this case makes a much cleaner design. Now it's probably because I only have it doing one pass or something over here, but yes, you could do that, and you can save this as a .nc file, and I'm just going to refresh the page. Input format PNG, output format G-code, and now I'm going to do the outline. Now this actually won't work exactly as I have it, so let me fix that. So in order to do the outline, what you have to do is make just the dimensions visible, and you also typically want to have these larger. How do you make that bigger? You know what? I'll just do it on one line. So the width, just make the width a little bit wider here. And we'll export this as a PNG. So dimensions, monochrome, alright. So let's just load that image. Output format, G-code, process, I want to cut the outline, and calculate. And you'll see it's actually showing the two thicker lines that I had there. This actually doesn't seem to be quite as good as the old fab modules in this case. Nonetheless, you could save that file as well. And if you want to see what it would look like, you can open it up. Got this simulator here. And just do the thing. There it is. So there's the traces. Simple as that. And if you want, in this software you can actually simulate milling it at 1:1 speed. It'll give you a whole list of what's going on here. And similarly, you can get your dimension. And you'll see what that looks like as well. Now normally the dimension also will poke the holes if you design it correctly, but it'll drill the through hole components for you. But that's it.